Are you ready to take your streaming game to the next level? Get ready to meet our latest innovation, the SEV-2K SDI Encoder. It's packed with powerful features that will make your streaming experience more efficient and flexible than ever before. DDMALL SEV-2K revolutionizes your streaming experience with its exceptional features. Supports max 1080p at 60s input in SDA HDI 3G SDI. And H.264/H.265 encoding output at video bitrate up to 16 megabits per second with ultra-low power consumption. And conveniently powered by a USB-C connection, allowing you to stream on the go. Available capturing audio between SDI embedded in audio input and external 3.5mm line-in, mic-in audio input, enabling SRT end-to-end IP video streaming. When used with DDMALL SRT decoders, third-party decoders, or SRT live streaming platforms, supports real-time customization of OSD settings, and the further firmware updating comes with quick protocol switching on LinkCloud platform and SD card for recording, storage, and download. Let's step into the physical features of the SEV-2K, highlighting the following: SDI input. Mention the support for SDI HDI 3G SDI input and encoding output with a maximum resolution of 1080p at 60s at video bit rates up to 16 megabits per second. Reset button. Mention the availability of a reset button for quick factory settings reset. Audio input. Discuss the option to choose between SDI embedded in audio input or 3.5mm analog line-in, mic-in audio input, USB-C port. Highlight the convenience of powering the device directly through a 5 volts, 1A USB connection to the USB-C port of signal sources or a mobile power bank. Ethernet port. Discuss the presence of an RJ45 port for controlling the device's network. Indicators. Mention the LED lights that indicate the power and signal status of the SEV-2K SDI Encoder. SD card slot. Highlight the inclusion of a micro SD card slot for stream recording, storage, and downloads. The SEV-2K SDI Encoder by DDMALL is the ultimate hardware solution for your encoding needs. With its sleek design and powerful features, you have everything you need to create professional-grade streams. Upgrade your streaming setup today and experience the difference.